Well, welcome back. Welcome to my new viewers. We're going to paint some clouds today. The colors will be scrolling. This time I'm going to mix a small batch of paint of different colors. Normally I mix as I go, but I'm going to put those colors in wherever I feel like it. Here I'm mixing some cerulean blue and some white, titanium white. And as we go further down, I add more and more white, so it gets lighter. At the top of the mixture, I'm adding some French ultramarine to that cerulean blue and white. And then off to the side, I'm mixing the French ultramarine along with some Payne's gray and white. We're starting with the darkest of the cerulean blue and white mixture, and we're going to put that across the top, and as we go towards the bottom, it will gradually get lighter and lighter. Not very noticeable though. Alright, now that that's finished, we're going to start putting them clouds in. And we're just taking whatever colors we feel like. Now, I like to start with the darker colors. And to me, that's going to be the bottom of the clouds. Now I'm going in with the straight white, and I'm putting that on the tops. And just dabbing it in here and there, wherever I feel like I need some white cloud tops. Alright, now for the fun part, we're going to blend it. And that's about it. Blend it until you feel like it's enough. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. Appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and come back next week. We're going to finish this painting. Put some seagulls in, maybe a beach. Thanks. Bye, y'all.